Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 10. Like always, in this video, I will evaluate the performance of a candidate in Ielts writing task. Now, let's have a look at this text. It says, the world is dynamic. Full stop. People's needs are complex. Full stop. Nowadays, okay, this is the first mistake. You don't say nowadays, you always write nowadays. And nowadays should be followed by a comma. Punctuation is important. Nowadays, comma, they are in a rat race to gain material comfort. Okay. In society, the article is missing. You never write in society, you always write in the society. The noun that is this important that the whole sentence revolves around it, you precede it with an article, the. So write in the society, comma. The world is urbanized, industrialized, globalized, and commercialized due to this. Okay, commercialized, full stop. Due to this, comma, there should be a comma after this. The world has changed so much that today people engage in busy life. Okay, this sentence seems incomplete. It is better to write because of this. Because of this, and comma is important because it lends a structure to the sentence, it helps convey the meaning, it enhances the meaning of the sentence. So always include and insert the commas, full stops, and punctuations in the right places. Even if he wants to write due to, it's okay. Due to this comma, the world has changed so much. Okay, the world has changed. You never write changed. You write the world has changed. The verb is important. Due to this, the world has changed so much that, okay, he should have written something over here. Something like, due to this, the world has changed so much that people find no time to meet others, or something like that. This sentence is incomplete. He starts the next paragraph. Today, people engage in busy life. Okay, today people have a busy life is a better terminology to use over here. Today people engage in busy life, engage in activities because of which their life is busy. So if you just want to mention the busy life, you have to write the today people have a busy life or busy lifestyle, full stop. They focus. The spelling of focus is wrong. It should be focus. They focus in an, okay, you don't focus in things, you focus on things. So they focus on earn the money for future life. No, they focus on earning the money for future life. And you don't necessarily write life in every sentence. You just write they focus on earning money for the future, or better, right, their focus is on earning the money for the future, full stop. Actually, comma, we can't live without money, full stop. One thing I'm observing is this text has very small sentences. Every other sentence is like only 4 or 5 words long. That's not how IELTS writing should be. You should be able to construct reasonably long sentences, not very wordy sentences, not unnecessarily long sentences. You should write briefly, concisely, but like try to write a whole sentence in a line and a half. That would be a complete sentence. A sentence made up of only 4 or 5 words conveys a sense to the examiner that this is a very basic writer. In any case, actually we can't live without money, full stop. But some people totally follow in money and they forget their responsibilities. Totally follow in money, that is wrong. But some people are just seeking money, you can say. But some people have complete focus on earning money, or some people are totally earning money and they forget their responsibilities, full stop. However, there should be a comma after however. However, children's, no, you don't write children's, you always write children forget their parents. However, children forget their parents. Again, you see, this is a 5 word sentence. That's wrong. That shows that it's a very basic kind of writing. You should write a long sentence. Okay, children forget their parents, so what? You should try to convey, to link the other sentence to the previous one. Make one reasonably long sentence. However, children forget their parents. They make association with wrong peer groups, and they addict to bad habits such as crime, drug abuse. Okay, again, they associate themselves with wrong peer groups. They make association with is also right, but it's better to write they associate themselves with wrong peer groups, and they addict, no, and they are addicted, and they are addicted to bad habits such as crime. You don't write crimes, you write crime, such as crime and drug abuse, such as crime and drug abuse. It should be and over here because it's just mentioning two things, two activities, crime and drug abuse. So there should be an and between them. Okay, I think I have reasonably assessed the level of writing that this candidate has produced, and he deserves 5.5 on this writing because the sentences are very short. There are too many mistakes of the of punctuation as well as sentence structure and verb forms. Where he should write addicted, he's writing addict. So that's wrong. I can notice a lot of mistakes in it. So 5.5 goes best with this kind of writing. So this was the evaluation of this writing. If you people would like me to evaluate your essays as well, please post them to the Facebook group whose link is in the description below. You can also join my WhatsApp group. I am giving its link in the description below as well. Also, if you people have any comments or suggestions, please convey them to me in the comments section. I read all comments and try to integrate people's comments into my upcoming videos so that they serve the needs of the learners. Um, I am giving the links to my previous writing task evaluations above. You can watch episode 8 and episode 9 to see how the previous candidates performed. I wish you all the best with your IELTS preparation. Until next time, take care. But before going, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever a new video is released. Take care.